Hi everyone, I am doing a video for a lesson out of chapter 5 if you're following along with McGraw-Hill. We are subtracting decimals and this is actually lesson 10. So there's many familiar things if you have gone through the lesson with me on adding decimals. The same rule applies as long as you line up the decimal and then subtract the numbers, you'll be good to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some examples here. We're going to do 19 and 8/10 minus 16 and 2/10. So notice that this one's pre-stacked, okay? So we'll start with a couple of these and then we'll do some horizontal ones so I can show you how we stack. So first things first, bring down your decimal. And now we subtract like we normally would, any whole number that we're subtracting. 8 take away 2 is 6. Brought down my decimal already. 9 take away 6 is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So our answer is 3 and 6/10. Let's do another one. What if I had 4 and 97/100 minus 2/10 or 200? Okay, so I wanted to do this one because we have a 0 in there and we have a blank spot. Just like we did when we added decimals, don't worry if you have blank spots. Just make sure you fill it in with a 0 so you subtract the right numbers, that's fine. And then we bring down our decimal. It's cemented there, it will not move. And now we start over here on the right and we subtract. So 7 minus 2 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. Bring down the decimal, and 4 minus 0 is 4. So our answer is 4 and 95/100. Now let's do one that's horizontal, and I'll show you how to stack it. So let's say we had 13 and 900 take away 2 and 4/10. So you might be looking at that and being like, whoa, I wouldn't be able to do that in my head. I don't even know what number is matching up with what number. So you got to stack it, okay? So fill in your decimals and then just fill in the numbers. As long as these decimals are lined up, everything else should fall in its place. So I have a 13.09 and then I have a 2.4. So what do I put in those blank spots? A 0. And now everything is in the right spot. Bring down your decimal in its place. And now we subtract. 9 minus 0 is 9. I can't do 0 minus 4, so I need to borrow from the 3. Now I can do 10 minus 4, which is 6. And oops, that was supposed to become a 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So our answer is 10 and 69/100. All right, you guys, so there is your quick but good examples on how to subtract decimals. Just be sure you line up that decimal and you guys should be good to go.